Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to change drive letter on Windows 11. For this I will guide you with three methods and you can use either. So let me start. First one is command prompt. So you need to open command prompt with administrator rights. For that click on this one start button and here type cmd. Then right click on command prompt app and select here run as administrator. Now you need to type diskpart. Please note you can copy all these commands and the URL I will use in this video. I will paste in this video description and you can copy or use from there. So after typing diskpart, press enter on the keyboard. This will take you your command prompt up to diskpart prompt. Here you need to type list volume. Then press enter. Here you can see all the drive letters assigned to you on your computer. For example, I want to change this one drive letter for volume 5, that's drive letter is N. So I need to type command select volume space 5 because I am going to change this one volume 5 letter number N. So my command will be select volume 5 and you can change number 5 accordingly. After typing this command, press enter on the keyboard. Then you need to here you can assign or change drive letter for your particular volume. For that you need to type command assign a space letter is equal to, suppose I want to use letter M that is not in already used, so I will type here M. M is not used in any of my volume on my PC, so my command will be assign a space letter is equal to M if I want to assign letter M to volume 5. After typing this command, press enter on the keyboard and you can see here you can find my letter N has been changed to letter M for this one software drive. Next one method is through disk management. Through disk management also you can change drive letter for a particular volume or partition. For that right click on this one start button and here select disk management. On the disk management window you will find all the partitions here, or you can also see here from any pan you can change letter from here also and from here also. So right click on the partition you want to change letter number and select here change drive letter and path option. Here click on this one change button and you can here use any drive letter that are free on your PC. For example, I just want to use letter number Z. So after selecting Z, I will click OK. It will give some warning. Read and click on this yes button. Click on yes button and like this you can see, and you can see my drive letter for software's partition has been changed. So just open this PC and you can see drive letter has been changed to Z. And last one method, that is through third party software. For that you can use Sordum drive letter changer. That is one of the beautiful applications that you can use. I will provide this link on the video description. You need to open it and scroll down to this one download link and click on it It is a Pro Tools software, that means you don't need to install it on your PC, just use and delete it. So after downloading on your Windows 11 machine, you need to extract it. So right click on this one, downloaded file, and here select extract all, click extract. This will open extracted folder, again open it and run this one, application file dchanger. Here you will see something like this. All partitions, or you can say volume, are listed on this application. Right click on the drive letter you want to change and here select change drive letter, and you can here see free and assigned. You can choose any free letter here and click on yes button. That's it. You can now see my software's partitions has assigned letter M again. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to our channel GearUpWindows, do hurry up. And if you like my video, kindly share, like, comment. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.